like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot.
I'm not afraid to take a stand. Take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand. Come take my hand. We'll walk this road together through the storm. Whatever weather, cold or warm. Let me know that you're not alone. I'm gonna give you feel like you let me do it. Trying to read my lyrics off of this paper before I lay 'em, but you won't take the sting out these words before I say 'em. 'Cause ain't no way I'm gonna let you stop me from causing man. When I say I'm gonna do something, I do it. I don't give a damn what you think. I'm doing this for me, so fuck the world, feed it beans. It's gassed up. If you think it's stopping me, I'ma be what I set out to be. Without a doubt, I'm tired of bleeding. All those who look down on me, I'm tearing down your balcony. No ifs, ands, or buts, don't try to ask him why or how can he. From infinite down to the last relapse album, he's still sitting, whether he's on salary, paid hourly, until he bows out or he shits his pals out of him. Whichever comes first, for better or worse. He's married to the game, like a fuck you for Christmas. His gift is a curse. Forget the earth, he's got the urge to pull his dick from the dirt and fuck the whole universe.
Little mama, show me a little bit. Let it put you back into it. Wait, do your thing like it ain't nothing to it. Shake that ass, girl. Little mama, show me a little bit. Let it put you back into it. Wait, do your thing like it ain't nothing to it. Shake that ass,
Go, 50 in the house, bounce. Y'all already know what I'm about. The flow sounds sick over Drake drums, nigga. I ain't stupid, I can stop. Then my dope comes with a whoa. Shorty hypnotic, she moves so erotic to watch. I'm like bounce that ass, girl. I get it crump in here, I make it jump in here, front in here, we'll thump in here.